how to add multi-language in Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to just open our Shopify store right here and make sure that we are logged in into our account. And then once we're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just go here in the apps and then click the add icon. And then in this part, just click Shopify App Store. And then once you're now here on the search bar, just search for Trans Store and then click enter. And then once you're now here, you will see this Trans Store language translate. So just click the install button right there. And then once you're now in here, just click the install button once again. So just click install. And then while it is installing, currently Shopify has an ongoing deal right now wherein you can avail the basic, the grow, or the advanced plan for only $1 for the first 3 months. So just go down below the description box or the pinned comment section. So there will be a link right there which will redirect you into this part. So going back into our video, once you are now here, just select the plan. So if you want to use free, you can do that. But if you also want to use premium, it's up to you. But I will just go here with the free plan. So just click that and then click explore now. And then once you're now here, just click the add language now, which is right here. And then in this part, just click the language that you want to also use. So let's say, for example, we want to use French. So just click that and then click add right here. And then once it is done, we now have added it right here. And then after that, just click translate right here. And then click install now. And then click this one. And then click add extension. And then once it is now on your extension, just go back into this part, click translate again. And then let's wait for this to finish. And then once it is translated, just turn on this one right here. And then once you do that, we now go here on our online store and then on the themes and then click customize. And if we click the 3 dots and then click view, and then as you can see right here, we can now change it from English into French. So just choose the French right there. You will now be able to see it in French. So that is basically it. That is how to add multi-language in Shopify.